Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how to get some fresh air and take a shot with natural light. I call this shot Sanctuary Moon. I'll also show you my editing process in Photoshop. I used quite a few figures from the Black series this week. We've got Han Solo, C-3PO, R2-D2 and Chewbacca, as well as Princess Leia Organa, a couple rebel troopers, and the Ewoks Wicket and Paploo. As I'm sure you've noticed, I primarily take photos in my basement. I was recently away for the weekend and I took the opportunity to shoot outside. The great part of shooting outside is not having to worry about creating a set or which lighting you're going to use. The bad part of shooting outside is the wind. I had to refilm this multiple times because the light breeze kept knocking my figures over. Leia was a particular nuisance because her feet are so tiny and narrow. She fell and took the Ewoks with her at least 10 times, and I came perilously close to losing Paploo's spear in the underbrush. After a lot of trial and error, I captured this exposure. Editing this shot was a breeze. I used some adjustment layers to tweak the lighting and color balance, and then gave the image a slight cropping. Next, I added a custom vignette, then used the healing brush tool and content aware fill to remove all the articulation joints from my figures. Finally, I used the brush tool to add some glow to the droid's eyes. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and checking me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time.